Hello everyone and welcome again to yet another Ironics Media video, and today I just have one question for you. Are you a Windows fan or a Mac fan? Well, I don't know about you, but personally I'm a Windows fan. And today we are going to talk about the things I love about Windows. So one of the reasons I made this video is to express the things I love personally about Windows. And if you also maybe unataka kwenda kutafuta lapi na huko na labda hutaki unataka kujua maybe the things you need to look for in an OS, some of the things about Windows nitakuwa nimezitaja hapa, and so some of them are probably going to help you when you are going to purchase a laptop or a PC out there, and so it's a good idea, isn't it? So without any more questions, let's start the video. Now, one of the things that people tend to believe is that Apple products, or in this case Mac products, belong to those people of very high class, in which case these days tunasema wameomoka. And then for the other kind of fans like me, they prefer using Windows instead. And you find that it's quite true that Mac products and other Apple products are very expensive, but these are the reasons why I love Windows personally. Apart from the cost, there are other things that I like about Windows. Now, the first thing I actually love about Windows is gaming. Now, first of all, even before I explain this point, if you're a gamer like me, kula tano. Now, most of you will agree with me that Windows accommodates almost all kinds of games, whether you are playing the latest kind of games, whether be it Forza, Tomb Raider, Call of Duty, name it, any kind of game. And you are going to find that even the old types of games, akina Super Mario and all the other kinds of stuff, pengine Minecraft, you are going to find that Windows is able to accommodate all of these games, and therefore it's one of the things that I like, that I surely love about Windows. And you don't even need any special kind of hardware, any special kind of software so that the game can work. And yeah, all you need is a very good working correctly machine which has yenye iko na graphics card yenye ita accommodate your game. Na pia, if you don't know the kinds of system requirements that are going to be required by that game, all you have to do is just simply Google for them, and most of the things that you are going to require in order for you to play a game are already there. All you need to do is just customize the settings pale kwa game and you'll be good to go. The other thing I do like about Windows is the software availability. The one advantage about Windows OS is that it has a very wide market all around the world, and therefore most of the softwares that you are going to find out there are, let's say 80% of them are compatible to Windows software, unless you maybe require any kind of hardware, any kind of special hardware. So be it a closed application or any open source software, all you have to do is just go into the internet and download it, or if you have the money to go and buy, which most of us don't, you can just go to the you can just go to your nearest vendor and just buy the software. Now, the other thing that I like about Windows, and this applies to all of us wenye tuko #bado hatujaomoka, is the cost friendliness. Alright, now allow me to ask this question. Ni wangapi wenu washaienda kwa software vendor alafu ukatoa pesa kwa mfuko, yani ukasema today I'm going to buy a Windows software from a software vendor, na ukanunua na pesa zako, mikono juu. Okay. I also apply in that category. One other thing I do like about Windows is its upgradeability and the support for new hardware. Now, due to the huge market out there all around the world for Windows, you're going to find that zile hardwares mostly zinatokea now and then. It's very it's very hard for the people wenye wanatoa hizo hardwares to ignore the compatibility of the hardware with the Windows OS. And therefore you are going to find that since almost everything available out there, every hardware, every software out there is almost readily available for the Windows PC, it's very easy to just go and upgrade your Windows PC. Let's say ni RAM unataka kuongeza, let's say ni hard disk unataka kuenda kuongeza, let's say ni any other kind of software. All you need to check for is now the compatibility of the hardware with the machine itself and not the OS itself, because when it comes to compatibility of the hardware with the OS, you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, those are most of the things that I like about the Windows OS. Now, the only thing I hate about Windows very much, and I don't think it's a problem that they are going to fix very soon, is that the OS applications take a lot of resources. Now, when it comes to taking a lot of computer resources, if you don't know what I'm talking about, is take an example of an application like Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Store itself, and any other kind of Microsoft Windows app. You're going to find that every time you try to open it, and especially if you are not offline, that is if you have an internet connection, you're going to find that hizo applications inachukuanga a very long time to load. Now, by making this video, I don't mean to judge the Mac users, si ati nimewaonea, because I personally sijazoea Mac OS, and I personally have not used it for a long time. Mostly 98% of my life, of my computer related life, nimetumia Windows, so maybe that's the reason why I also love Windows. But I tend to believe that Mac OS is totally customized for beginner computer users, whereas Windows can be used by anyone who is a computer nerd. And if you are also a beginner, you can also learn Windows slowly. It's not very hard, as they say. Now, let me know in the comments below what you think about the Windows OS and the Mac OS. Let me know your opinion. Let me also know the opinion about this video. Has it helped you? Has it helped someone out there? Share this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, Ironics Media, down there. Press the bell icon down below so that you can get any notifications about my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So long, everybody.